Good morning. Welcome BSc second year students. Last lecture we have seen partial differential equations, syllabus and applications. Today this topic is very important and easy. See, introduction of partial differential equation. First, partial differential equations. Definition. See the definition of partial differential equation, type of partial differential equation, solution, what is order, degree, order, ordinary differential equation and applications. तर स्टुडंट्स, आपला पार्शियल डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन हा BSc सेकंड इयर. अगोदर डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन्स म्हणजे काय आपल्याला माहीत पाहिजे. त्यानंतर डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन्सचे दोन मेन टाईप्स आहेत. फर्स्ट ऑर्डिनरी डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन अँड सेकंड पार्शियल डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन. तर फर्स्ट पेपर ऑर्डिनरी डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन हा आपण BSc सेकंड इयर म्हणजे थर्ड सेमिस्टरला आपण शिकले ऑर्डिनरी डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन. आता फोर्थ सेमिस्टरला आपला पार्शियल डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन. तर मी रिपीट करतो, डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन्स स्टार्ट करण्याच्या अगोदर डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन्स काय आहे, ऑर्डिनरी डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन, पार्शियल डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन, ऑर्डर ऑफ ऑर्डिनरी डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन, डिग्री ऑफ ऑर्डिनरी डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन. ठीक आहे. तर स्टुडंट्स, the definition of differential equation is a differential equation is an equation that contain one or more functions which its derivatives. The derivatives of the function define the rate of change of a function at a point. It is mainly used in fields such as physics, engineering, biology and so on. The primary purpose of differential equation is the study of solution that satisfy the equation and the properties of the solution to learn how to solve differential equations. This is the definition of differential. Definition means contain one or more function with its derivatives. One of the solve the differential equation is by using explicit formulas. In this article, in this lecture, let us discuss the definition, types, method of solving differential equation, order and degree of the differential equation, ordinary differential equation with real world example and a solve प्रॉब्लेम. ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर आपण काय बघणार आहोत. या लेक्चरमध्ये डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन्स काय आहे, ऑर्डिनरी डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन्स काय आहे, तिचे टाईप्स काय आहे, मेथड्स ऑफ सॉल्विंग डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन्स काय आहे, ऑर्डर काय आणि डिग्री काय. ओके. सो फर्स्ट, differential equations. See the definition, I have repeat again. A differential equation is an equation which contain one or more term and a derivative of a variable. Two types of variable, one is a dependent variable and another is a independent variable. That means derivative of one variable more than and derivative of one variable means that is dependent variable with respect to the or variable independent variable. That's mean dy by dx is equal to f of x. This is a differential equation. Here dy by dx is equal to f of x means here x is a independent variable and y is a dependent variable. For example, dy by dx is equal to 5x. A differential equation contain derivatives which are either partial derivatives or ordinary derivatives. The derivatives represent a rate of change and the differential equation describe a relation between the quantity that continuously with respect to the change of another quantity. There are a lot of differential equation formula to find the solution of derivative. Here, see the student type of differential equation. Differential equation can be divided into several type of, namely, first, ordinary differential equation. ऑर्डिनरी डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन म्हणजे काय आपण बघितलेलं आहे मागच्या सेमिस्टरमध्ये. देन पार्शियल डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन, another type of linear differential equation, another type of non-linear differential equation, homogeneous differential equation and non-homogeneous differential equation. Now there exist two methods to find the solution of differential equation: separation of variable and integrating factor. So first I have repeat ordinary differential equation definition. Here explain. The order of the differential equation is the order of the highest order derivative present in the equation. काय बघायचं आपल्याला? हायेस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह प्रेझेंट ऑफ द इक्वेशन्स, म्हणजे त्याला काय म्हणायचं आपण? ऑर्डिनरी डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन्स. हिअर सी differential order of differential equation are given. dy by dx is equal to, for example, dy by dx is equal to 3x plus 2. The order of the equation is 1. Why? Differential equations बघा आणि त्याचे order of highest order derivative present in the equation. किती आहे the present of the equations? 1. That's why this equation dy by dx is equal to 3x plus 2 is equal to 3x plus 2. That's why this order is 1. Another example, d square y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. This equation is order, differential equation is highest order is 2. That's why this the order is 2. So next definition, degree of differential equation. Degree of differential equation. See, the partial differential equations, a differential equation I have repeat, an equation involving depending variable and its derivative with respect to one or more independent variable. This is a differential equation. This is the example. And mainly two types of differential equation. First is ordinary differential equation and second is this example is ordinary. D square y by dx square minus dy by dx plus 2 is equal to 1. And partial differential equation, see the definition of partial differential equations. Okay, a differential equation is said to be partial if condition is if the derivative in the equation have reference to or more independent variable. So example, dou raised to 4y is equal to dou x to the power 4 plus dou y by dou x. कसं वाचायला? ordinary differential equation d square and partial dou 4y by dou x to the power 4 dou y by dou x plus y is equal to 1. म्हणजे sorry, ordinary differential equation चे example and partial differential equation. Now order of this is the definition of order. A differential equation is said to be order if the nth derivative of the highest derivative of the equation. See the example, dou square y by dou x square plus dou y by dou x is equal to 2 is the order is 2. This is the degree of the differential equation. If the given differential equation is a polynomial in y to the power n into the highest degree of y to the power n. Y to the power n is defined as a degree of a differential equations. Differential equations. See, solution of the differential equation. See the some definitions of first solution of the differential equation, general solution of the differential equations, and particular solution of the differential equation. See, first solution, any relation containing the variable of an equation and not involving the derivatives which satisfy the given differential equation is called a solution. General solution of a differential equation, thus see the definition, a solution of a differential equation in which the number of variable, number of arbitrary constant is equal to the order of the equation is called general, or is also known as complete solution or complete primitive of a equation. For example, y is equal to x plus b. And last definition, particular solution. Particular solution, the solution obtained by given particular values to the arbitrary constant of a general solution is called a particular solution of the equation. See the example, y is equal to 3x plus y. So students, in this lecture we are discuss what is the definition of differential equation, types of differential equation, definition of ordinary differential equation, definition of partial differential equation, and definition of order, definition of degree, okay, and some example. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.